What's up guys, Master Tex naman. So ngayon, 6 AM ng umaga, may papunta naman tayong set up sa Tigbawan, Iloilo. So set up natin yung D8 na mini sound. So stay tuned lang mga boss. Set up pa, maglalagay pa ng speakers. Ayan o. Ayan. Marami pang gagawin. Ayan. Storm surge. So ito yung mga mid-high nya. Ayan. Puro bago. Ayan. Tsaka mga 880. Ayan. And CT5 na crown. So lalagyan ko lang muna ng packing tape kasi walang horn adapter. So thread on yan eh. So ito yung finished product nyo. Yan.
Take it, never lose it. Fix it, fake it, never break it. Never lift it, push it, do it, suck it, squeeze it, do it, wear it on a list. Right.